big inroads at the start of the race. Alex Ring a bit untidy, a bit messy. Early doors here in Austria.
Alex Rins really has come out fighting low pace at the front, and they're really getting in the mix. Oh, it's close there from Rins. It goes all the way back to Mark Crutchlow. The first one seems to have had it first time as well. Aggressive as always from Joe Tarko. And Gray, thank you for that one. That was a big clatter with the braking zone in turn 3. It's been an awful start again from Maverick Vinales. He's down in front. That's completed now. Marquez leads. Tape on the brakes there for Lorenzo. Crutchlow there in fourth, trying to hang on in there. Good move there from Malaysia's well.
Top 3 ready behind the top 3 ready. Second year succession
Just yet.
Placed by Alva Bautista, so the misery continues. Right up, bit scrappy further down the field. That looks like somebody had actually tagged Valentino Rossi. This is what the 3 now. From the left side of the rider. Honestly, Steve, Marquez at the stage of the race. Marquez has really got a bit between his teeth. 125. Can he, whoops, he's established that lead, just managed to gap with. He was facing a hard rear tyre this morning. He's hotter again Sunday, so he knows how much and they just want to get to find out.
That is the battle between Malaysia's Spielberg and Valentino Rossi at the front. It's now.
He's just got to go left. All the time on Marquez.
Third one we go on more now with Dovisioso. Not quite able to get a
full half a second inside of what we thought the average predicted race pace would be. Deliberately found it in practice and tried to enter his lines to try and mimic it.
Get past into turn 1. No, he's not close enough. Defensive line from Lorenzo. He's got to keep chasing the through. Done a little bit there. There's slow through there. Can't see. At turn 9, because this is the area of the circuit where Lorenzo's weakest. It's on this last lap. We'll get the times through. Just half a tenth
on the soft rear tyre.
The thing is, Mark, 2 years ago,
you've got to feel that Marc Marquez will have the slight advantage in that
top 3. The gap is opened up between Marc Marquez.
Top are identical. Marc Marquez at 1:24.593.
Down the hill, Dovisioso still in third, trying to find.
He used one of the hardest sort of few times to come back with the final zone. Was basically parking up.
Dovisioso is in the slipstream now. Find a way back into turn 1.
Acceleration is unrivaled. It's his advantage for the first time is almost a full second.
The question is, Matt, how slim and a smell to it than Jerez? It reminds me a bit of Valencia at the end of last year as well. Looking closer, they are looking a lot closer to Marc Marquez and trying Dovisioso.
Interceptor 3 where Marc Marquez just excels. He's been in a league of his own here. So Alex Rins to find a bit of rhythm in that third split.
Completely different tyres, we remind you, they're all 3.
It's going to be predicted race pace. Slightly faster for Lorenzo. Long way to go in this battle of the Red Bull Ring. Some people felt like he was taking his chops into a gunfight this year. He's got the weapons and the tools.
Now with Andrea Dovisioso in third place, onto the power.
Back to fourth place, Cal Crutchlow is going to stay relatively comfortable.
They've been through sector 2, and they've been gaining on Marquez in sector 3 the last couple of laps.
Who's doing the time management job the best of all?
Lorenzo's going to have to go right there, avoiding actions.
Powerful motors of the Honda Ducati can have that little slip up on the brake.
Bit of front-end movement there from Marc Marquez. Into turn 10 we go. There will be 10
to miss Marc Marquez's rear tyre by a millimetre.
Marquez fights back immediately. In fact, that little scuffle there was just allowed Dovisioso to come back. Studied last night. It's working. Marquez to go back.
So, Ducati lost 7/10 to the second competitor Lorenzo. That was a crucial mistake.
Supreme.
His riding started to solid the sports classes late in the Ducati last weekend in Renault. And when, as we said before this weekend, he was aggressive. Turn 10 it was almost like he was going, if it gets to around a second, I'm going. That's exactly what he did. Result. Yeah, it'll be a sixth finish of the season. Cal Crutchlow again. He's Andrea Dovisioso. So as always, The old magician conjuring up something.
Losing lots of time. I don't think there's much life left in the Desmo Dovi here.
The race becoming home for a very disappointing and very lonely third place. Marc Marquez tasted last gas defeat to a Ducati. It's now for Marc Marquez, how much risk is he willing to take? He's got the back of his mind.
Then leads just from Marc Marquez. It's a close one. Dovizioso's now 2 seconds adrift.
When he hits 4th, 5th and 6th gear, he said it's like something special happens underneath that fare.
If he can get close enough, he also knows that he's got to make it stick. It's got to be
in MotoGP. Yeah, he's still at that age and at that experience, that class, learning.
Number 3, and that's allowed Marc Marquez through. 3 laps to go here. Jorge Lorenzo has a
Lorenzo.
Marquez is going to see this as his opportunity to try and break away. As well, Marquez still in the hunt, proper fighting this between the 2 men that will team up. And Marquez is now going to come back with one of his own into turn 13. Here comes the block part. He just settled before Marc Marquez lumped it into turn 4 there. Lorenzo now is going to try and have a nibble into turn 9. I don't think he's quick enough this time.
You see Marc Marquez there, first corner. The last couple of years here it's been Ducati land. Will it be Lorenzo's land? He waited and waited and waited for it and then thought, okay, oh wait, I'm going to see you up the inside and I'm just going to get the landing firm. And Jorge Lorenzo, he looks like he's going to protect Ducati's 100% winning record here.
Is Lorenzo land here? And Ducati win again! And the race of the season for Ducati. What a well-executed race that